Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal announced that the capital's borders will be sealed for the next 1 week. Essential services are exempted. A decision will be taken again in 1 week after suggestions from citizens. Starting today, all barber shops and salons will be open, but spas will remain closed. All shops can also open with no odd-even restrictions, and rickshaws and e-rickshaws can ply with no bar on the number of passengers. Prime Minister Narendra Modi hailed the contribution of medical workers during the coronavirus pandemic. Addressing an event at the Rajiv Gandhi Health University in Bengaluru via video conferencing, Modi said, "At the root of India's brave fight against COVID-19 is the hard work of the medical community and our corona warriors." He also stressed that violence against COVID warriors will not be tolerated. Railway Minister Piyush Goyal told the Indian Express that over 250 Shramik trains were wasted because states that requested for them could not bring in passengers. The centre said it will continue to provide Shramik trains. Meanwhile, Indian Railways has started running a pair of 100 trains from today. These special trains are in addition to already operational 30 Rajdhani-type trains and Shramik specials. The southwest monsoon hit Kerala today morning, making it a timely onset over the southern state for the first time since 2013. The country receives over 70% of its annual rainfall from this season between June and September. This year, the IMD has forecast a normal monsoon for the country. Wajid Khan of Bollywood music composer duo Sajid Wajid passed away in Mumbai on Sunday due to complications arising from a renal ailment and COVID-19. He was 42 years old. He's credited with albums like Dabang and Wanted. Many celebrities from the Hindi film industry took to Twitter to express their grief. Indian Army said Indian and Chinese military commanders have been in talks to address differences over the boundary in eastern Ladakh, where tensions have been running high between the two sides. India has built up its reserves in depth besides deploying sufficient troops and equipment against the Chinese troops on the line of actual control. This communication came after visuals of an exchange between Indian and Chinese troops were circulated, which the army claimed was not authenticated and urged that it be stopped from circulation as it was vitiating the atmosphere. Day 1 of Unlock 1 saw an increase in prices of LPG cylinders across India. This hike in LPG cylinder prices comes amid a global increase in rates. The increase in the prices of LPG cylinder comes after 3 months of consecutive rate cuts. US President Donald Trump was rushed to a White House bunker after hundreds of protesters gathered outside the White House, with some of them resorting to stone pelting. The incident happened on Friday night as protests against George Floyd's death intensified. The bunker is designed for use in emergencies like terrorist attacks. The White House nor the Secret Service made any disclosure. This was first reported by the New York Times.